Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a crab character. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're gonna start with two big eyes. Do a round eye right here. Another one over here. And then fill in the pupils looking to the side. Perfect. Let's add two lines underneath the eyes and a couple of eyebrows floating. That looks great. Let's give our crab a body now. So we're gonna come down and round like that. We'll do the same thing on this side. Down and around, and then connect those two lines. Perfect. We'll give our crab a nice big smile with some rounded teeth, maybe a couple lines underneath, like he's biting his lip. Let's give our crab some big claws. So we're gonna do a rounded shape coming out right there. Two rounded lines going up. Then a great big claw like that. On the inside of the claw, we'll do some jagged lines. Some on this side. Perfect. Let's draw another claw on this side. We'll come out with a rounded shape. Two rounded lines going up. And then another great big claw. Perfect. We'll do some jagged lines inside. Like that. And then our crab needs some legs. So we'll do some lines out, back in, lines out, back in, and one more right here. Now for this side, do out, back in, out, back in, out, and back in. Perfect. Now to finish off our crab, we're gonna give him some details. Just some circles and dots, a couple lines up here on the claws. A few more around the face, and then some squiggly hairs coming out from behind the eyes. And there we have a crab character. Yeah. You did a really good job today. Thank you so much for following along with me. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!